Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First we take a look at the headlines. Gangs arrested by Goa police may have links with terror organizations. Money from the loot used for terror plots, reveals probe. Police planning to involve IB in the investigation. Mining department probe says that 24 mines in Goa are illegal. Officers find discrepancies in data provided by some mining companies about ore stock. Goans working in casinos harassed and manhandled. Association files police complaint, demands arrest of 3 managers. Congress alleges BJP of illegal mining in Goa. Tamankar alleges Parikar government to illegally allot bridge construction contract to Venkat Rao company. Goa's new Ranji recruit Ravikant Shukla gets set to prove a point. Former India under-19 skipper targets self-improvement. UP batsman could be crucial for Goa's middle order. And Amol Satoskar makes it 3 in a row in Raid the Himalaya. And now the news in detail. Police probe has revealed that some of the gangs arrested in the last few days for theft and dacoities have links with some of the dreaded terror organizations. Goa police are still trying to cope up with this shocking revelation. Police have initiated a process to involve Intelligence Bureau in the probe.
Goa police have arrested a number of gangs involved in thefts, burglaries and dacoities. Weapons like revolver, pistol were recovered from some of these gangs. This is what police probe has revealed till now. Some of the gangs have links with terrorists, some are connected to terror outfits. Shocking information revealed during interrogation. Links may go to some international outfits. The revelations don't end here. It has also come to light that money stolen from Goa was routed to some dreaded terror organizations. Where is the money? Part of the stolen money routed to terrorists, money routed using Hawala transactions, money used to buy weapons and technology, terror attacks plotted using the money. Goa police have alerted all related agencies following these revelations. The police department is gearing up to involve intelligence agencies like RB and RAW in this probe. Police are trying to dig deep into the communications and modus operandi of these gangs. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Mines Department completed the data compilation work of mining on Saturday. Officers in Mines Department will submit the report to the CEC in Delhi. Sources confirmed that nearly 24 mines are found illegal by the Mines Department. The department has also found discrepancies in the data provided by some companies and the department.
Supreme Court has constituted a central empowered committee to look into the alleged mining scam in the state. According to the sources, CEC has asked the Mines Department to submit the following things: detailed production of ore in last 10 years, monthly and annual returns, list of all illegal mines, quantity of ore exported, renewal applications by leaseholders, details of ECs, mining leases, royalty challenge and documents of condonation of delay. Geologist Ramnath Chetgaonkar will submit the report to CEC personally. Sources in Mining Department have confirmed Mines Department has listed 24 mines as illegal. Discrepancy in data of ore submitted by some companies. Reporter Mahesh Kadi for Prudent.
The Goan workers in various casinos in Goa have complained of harassment and manhandling by the higher-ups. The Goa Casino and Allied Workers Union has filed a police complaint and demanded immediate arrest of Casino Pride in charge Srinivas Nayak and 2 other managers. However, the Casino Pride in charge has refuted all the allegations.
आणि त्यांनी म्हाका श्रीनिवास नायक द टेरर द बिगस्ट टेरर इन अमंग ऑल द मॅनेजर्स म्हाका बरोच मारलो म्हणजे मारून माझी गाला फुलयली आणि म्हजो गोखला पडली.
ऑफिसर वर्कर ऑफिसरांक मारतात केन्ना तरी पूण हांगा परतें आसा हांगा ऑफिसर वर्करांक मारपाक लागला. ही गोंयची परिस्थिती आनी गोंयचे कोणूच एक्शन घेवपाक तयार ना. आणि म्हणून आमी डिमांड करतात की हेजे हो जो कोण श्रीनिवास नायक जो आसा प्रायवेट कॅजिनोचो जो आसा तुजो मॅनेजर एक्चुअली इज अ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटंट बट टुडे इज अ होल एंड सोल. ताका इमिजिएटली अरेस्ट करपाक जाय. जर ताका अरेस्ट करिना जायत जाल्यार आमचे कॅजिनो वर्कर्स युनियन जे आसा ते आमी एजिटेशन करतले. फुडें डेमॉन्स्ट्रेशन फाल्यां गरज पडली जाल्यार CMचे सुद्दां हे आसा रेजिडेंट्स आसा थंय तेजेर एक्शन घेवची म्हणून आमी आमचे धरणा कार्यक्रम करतले. आनी हे गव्हर्मेंट डिपार्टमेंट जे आसा ते टोटली डिफंक्ट आसा. गव्हर्मेंट डिपार्टमेंट पार्टिक्युलरली लेबर डिपार्टमेंट जे आसा ते थंय कांयच एक्शन घेयना. आनी म्हणून आमचो डिमांड असो आसा की लेबर डिपार्टमेंट इमिजिएटली एक्शन घेवपाक जाय. नॉन इम्प्लिमेंटेशन ऑफ वेरियस लॉज जे आसात वायलेशन्स आसात तेजेर एक्शन घेवपाक जाय. तेजेर प्रोसिक्युशन जावपाक जाय. आमच्या जे कामगारांक एसॉल्ट केल्ले आसात तेंचेर पुलिशेन आनी हांगाचे जे कन्सर्न डिपार्टमेंट आसात तेंच्यांनी इमिजिएट एक्शन घेवपाक जाय. हो आमचो डिमांड आसा.
The in charge of Casino Pride, Srinivas Naik, has however denied all charges on him, saying that they are false and baseless. A reporter from Panji, Pratik Parab, with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.